Hello and welcome back to another video of this Power Automate tutorial. In this video, we will see data scraping using Power Automate desktop recorder. Then we will write the data in the Excel sheet. So before go ahead, till request to all of you, if you like the content of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Go ahead and let's start the video. So first of all, I'm create a new flow. Click on create. Flow is created. This is the icon of recording. So first of all, I'm clicking on this icon like this. Here you can see it's pop up, and I'm clicking on this three dots and launch new web browser. So here I'm using Chrome. Here again I'm clicking on record. Just typing as a manually. Click on enter. I want this, so click on this. Okay. Here you can see this page is come, and click on this about us. Pause, come down, and again I'm click on record. Right click on this. Here you can see extract element value. So here I want text, and again I'm click on this, and now this time I want link also. Okay. The same step I will do here. Extract element value. First of all, I want text, and second I want link also. Okay. Again same step. Text. Right click on this and link also. And this gallery, right click on this. Pop-up will come and click on text. Again right click on this. Go to extract element value and this hyperlink. Okay. Click on this hyperlink. Okay. Click on done. Okay. So here you can see launch new Chrome. Click on web. Link is open and about us, and here you can see this is the extract data. So this data I want in the Excel sheet. I'm using here launch Excel. This take and drag and drop here. I want the blank document. Click on save. And now I want write Excel. Take and drag and drop here. Click on this variable and double click on this output data variable. Okay, start one and row one. Okay, save and close the Excel. Drop here. So here I'm using save as document extension. Here I'm using Excel workbook, Excel SX, and here I have to give the location. I'm giving the name as a recorded data SLSX. Okay. Click on save. Here you can see all action is on place. Let's test. You can see, let's check. Here you can see action is created. Let's check output of the data. You can see we have clicked on four heading with links. So all heading is there and link also is there. Hope you like the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more video. I will see you in the next video with new topic on Power Automate. Till then, happy learning.